What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Excuse the way I look. I just got up. Y'all know Baby Royal and I have been going through it with this, I don't know what it is, the spring boogie woogie hot shoes. I don't know. But anyway, I'm up now because somebody just came to the door and dropped off a package. Let me see what's inside of here. How are y'all today? Are y'all better than I am? Because I'm still sounding like your old uncle. Yes, I am. Oh my gosh. I don't care what comes in. Royal thinks it's hers, okay? She's like, open, open. Hold tight, Mama. Move your toy. Let's see what's inside of here. Let's see what we got. Is it for me or is it for you? Okay, these are just some little school things that I checked out. I'm giving to someone I know that has a daycare, which I hung out for a minute at, and we're going to share this with them. Okay, that's cute. That's cute.
Are you ready to make cleaning a little easier and a lot more fun? I found some awesome products that help me tackle messes, smells, and stains all around the house, and I couldn't wait to share them with you. From the laundry room to the bathroom and even the kitchen sink, these goodies from Active help me stay on top of my daily cleaning without all the fuss. Whether you've got little ones making messes, workout clothes that need a little extra love, or appliances that just don't smell so fresh anymore, I've got you covered. Let me tell you about these products that were sent to me by Active, that I have been loving for months now, and how they've totally changed the game in my home. Let's talk about stains and odors. When you've got little ones, messes are just part of the package. The Messy Kids Stain Remover Spray is a total game changer for baby and toddler clothes. It's natural, super gentle, and really tackles those tough food and oil stains without any harsh stuff. I keep one in the diaper bag for on-the-go messes. It's so handy and perfect for travel, too. Next up, the toilet. Yep, I said it. Nobody likes cleaning it, but the Active Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner tablets make it so easy. Just pop one in the tank and let it do the dirty work. It keeps the bowl clean, fresh smelling, and it's safe for septic systems too. I love that blue gel swirl. It's like a little magic show in your bathroom. Now, let's tackle that funky smell in the washing machine. The Mold Stain Remover Gel Cleaner works wonders on that rubber seal where mold and gunk love to hide. I just apply the gel, let it sit, and wipe it away. So satisfying. Don't forget about your appliances. The washing machine, dishwasher disposal cleaning tablets are little superheroes. They deep clean, deodorize, and freshen all those hard-to-reach places in one simple bundle, and there's enough for 12 months. I just drop one in once a month and boom, fresh appliances. And speaking of dishwashers, the dishwasher cleaner and deodorizer tablets come in a 24-pack, and they make such a difference. No more weird smells, and it helps clear out that yucky buildup from hard water and detergent. Clean dishes really start with a clean machine. Kitchen sink smelling funky? Try the garbage disposal cleaner deodorizer tablets. These XL foaming tablets bubble up and clean deep down in the disposer. The fresh citrus scent is a total mood booster, and it keeps my kitchen feeling clean and cozy. All these products are right on my Amazon storefront. Just tap the link below to check them out and make your everyday cleanups a breeze. Let me know which one you're excited to try first. Happy cleaning, friends.